Peppa learns French. Are you ready? Let's take a look. The phone rings at Peppa's house. It is Monsieur Donkey. He is speaking French. Luckily, Mummy Pig can speak French. He asked if little Delphine Donkey could visit us, says Mummy Pig. Delphine is Peppa's pen pal. Peppa and her family arrive at the railway station. That's Delphine's train, says Peppa excitedly. Last stop, all change, terminal, tout le monde descend, shouts Miss Rabbit, the train driver. Toot toot. Delphine gets off the train. Monsieur Donkey gets off too. He is carrying an enormous case. Hello, Delphine, says Peppa. Bonjour, Peppa, says Delphine Donkey. Peppa, bonjour means hello in French, says Mummy Pig. Monsieur Donkey drops the enormous case on the ground. Thud. Bonjour, Monsieur Donkey, says Daddy Pig. My goodness, is that huge case Delphine's? Yes, Delphine has brought a few little things for her visit, says Monsieur Donkey. Things you do not have over here. Cheese, bread, tomatoes. Monsieur Donkey loads the huge case on top of Peppa's car. It's very heavy. Au revoir, Delphine. I will be back to pick you up tomorrow night, says Monsieur Donkey. Au revoir, Papa, says Delphine. Peppa, au revoir means goodbye in French, explains Mummy Pig. After dinner, it's time to go to bed. Peppa and Delphine want to share a bed. Good night, little ones, says Daddy Pig. Dormez bien, whispers Mummy Pig. Peppa, dormez bien means sleep well in French. Peppa and Delphine can't sleep. I'm not sleepy at all, says Peppa. Let's sing a little song to make us sleepy, says Delphine. Frère Jacques, frère Jacques, dormez-vous, dormez-vous. Sonne les matines, ding dang dong, ding dang dong, sings Delphine. Delphine's French song has sent Peppa and George to sleep. The next day, Delphine visits Peppa's playgroup. Madame Gazelle, this is my French friend Delphine, says Peppa. She sang a French song last night. Can we teach her an English song? How about the Bing Bang Song, suggests Danny Dog. Madame Gazelle plays her guitar. Oh, we're playing a tune and we're singing a song with a bing and the bong and the bing. Bing bong boo, bing bong bing, bing bong bingly bongly boo, sings Madame Gazelle. Bing bong boo, bing bong bing, bing bong bingly bongly boo, sing the children. Delphine has learned lots of new English words. Bing bong bingly bongly and boo. I hope you enjoyed this book. If you'd like to see and hear more Peppa Pig stories, subscribe and like for more. Be good for Mommy and Daddy. See you next time. Gitte TV.